Have you ever looked up to the night sky and wondered what lies beyond the twinkling stars? From the beginning of time, the vastness of the universe has captivated us, its mysteries beckoning our curiosity. This curiosity propels our pursuit to unravel the universe's enigmas, driving us to delve deeper into the abyss of space. We've embarked on an extraordinary journey, a journey marked by phenomenal progress and mind-boggling discoveries. The journey to uncover these mysteries has been a long one, filled with incredible advancements and discoveries. Our journey begins in the mid-20th century when the first seeds of space exploration were sown. In this era of rapid technological advancement, the concept of exploring the cosmos was no longer a pipe dream. It was during these years that humanity took its first steps towards understanding the mysteries of the universe. The year was 1957, a year that would forever be etched in our collective memory. The Soviet Union, in a bold display of technological prowess, launched the very first artificial satellite into space. This metallic sphere, no larger than a beach ball, was christened Sputnik. As it orbited our planet, it not only beamed radio signals back to Earth, but also symbolized the beginning of a new era in human history. Sputnik's launch was a wake-up call for the United States, sparking a sense of urgency and a desire to not just catch up, but to surpass. The response was swift. In 1958, less than a year after Sputnik's launch, the United States established the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, more commonly known as NASA. This marked the beginning of America's commitment to space exploration, and it set the stage for an unprecedented competition. Suddenly, the world was witness to a race unlike any other. The space race had begun. This wasn't a race of athletes on a track, but of nations aiming for the stars. The finish line. Not a ribbon across a track, but the vast expanse of the cosmos itself. The stakes were high, the challenges were immense, but the potential rewards were beyond imagination. In the decades that followed, the space race would lead to astonishing advancements in technology, science, and our understanding of the universe. It would inspire generations to dream big and to reach for the stars. But remember, this was just the starting point. This was just the beginning of our cosmic journey. The best was yet to come. The late 1960s were a time of great anticipation and excitement. The moon was within our reach. Let's rewind the clock to the height of the space race. The United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a cosmic competition, each vying to prove their technological prowess and strategic dominance. The stakes were high, and the stage was set for one of the most defining moments of the 20th century. NASA, the American Space Agency, launched a series of Apollo missions with the ambitious goal of putting a man on the moon. These missions were audacious, daring, and fraught with challenges that tested the limits of our knowledge and capabilities. Yet, the allure of the moon, our closest celestial neighbor, was irresistible. Apollo 11, which blasted off on July 16, 1969, marked a turning point in human history. Aboard the spacecraft were astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. 4 days later, on July 20th, the lunar module, aptly named Eagle, made its descent onto the moon's surface. Armstrong and Aldrin donned their spacesuits, stepped onto the lunar lander, and prepared to make history. Armstrong, the mission commander, was the first to exit the Eagle. As he descended the ladder and planted his foot on the moon's dusty surface, he famously declared, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." The world watched in awe as Armstrong and Aldrin spent over 2 hours walking on the moon, planting the American flag and collecting samples. This was more than a technological achievement. It was a testament to human ingenuity and the indomitable spirit of exploration. But the moon landing was not an end in itself. It was part of a larger journey, a stepping stone in our quest to explore the cosmos. It opened up a world of possibilities and set the stage for future space voyages. It transformed our understanding of what we, as a species, could achieve. The moon landing was a monumental achievement, but it was just a stepping stone in the grand scheme of space exploration. As we moved into the 1980s, a new era of space exploration began. Space was no longer a destination for one-off missions, but a place where humanity could continually live, work, and learn. This was the Space Shuttle era, a period marked by frequent trips to space, groundbreaking discoveries, and the construction of a home away from home, the International Space Station. In April 1981, the first Space Shuttle Columbia roared into the sky. This wasn't just another spacecraft. Columbia was a reusable vehicle, designed for multiple journeys to and from space. This was a game changer. It meant that space exploration was no longer a one-shot deal, but an ongoing endeavor. The Space Shuttle enabled us to make regular journeys to space, opening up a world of possibilities. The Space Shuttle program was instrumental in a number of key achievements. One of its most notable contributions was the construction of the International Space Station, a collaborative project between 5 space agencies. The first module was launched into orbit in 1998, and over the next decade, the Space Shuttle ferried astronauts and equipment to the station piece by piece until it became the habitable space laboratory we know today. The International Space Station has been crucial in helping us understand how to live and work in space. It's a place where astronauts from around the globe conduct experiments, make discoveries, and find ways to make life in space a reality. But the Space Shuttle era wasn't without its challenges. The loss of the Challenger and Columbia shuttles and the brave astronauts aboard were tragic reminders of the risks involved in space exploration. These disasters led to important safety improvements and a renewed commitment to making space travel as safe as possible. The Space Shuttle era significantly advanced our understanding of space, but it came with its own set of challenges and tragedies, yet it was a critical step in our journey beyond Earth, paving the way for the next chapter in space exploration. Now, we stand at the cusp of a new frontier in space exploration. Our sights are set on Mars, the red planet, our celestial neighbor. Our collective ambition and technological prowess have driven us to this point, where the journey to Mars is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality. The wheels of progress are already in motion, with a number of Mars missions currently active. NASA's Perseverance rover, for instance, is diligently exploring the Martian surface, seeking signs of ancient microbial life and paving the way for future human missions. Alongside these endeavors, private companies like SpaceX are also stepping into the arena. SpaceX's Starship aims to transport humans to Mars in the coming decade, with the audacious goal of making life multiplanetary. But Mars isn't the endgame. It is a stepping stone, a gateway to the broader cosmos. The outer planets beckon, their icy moons and swirling storms offering tantalizing mysteries to unravel. Jupiter's moon, Europa, with its subsurface ocean, is a prime target in the search for extraterrestrial life. Similarly, Saturn's moon, Titan, with its methane lakes and rain, offers a unique environment that could potentially harbor life. Space agencies across the globe are also looking beyond our solar system. The James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of engineering, will peer into the depths of the universe, observing celestial bodies in unprecedented detail, and potentially uncovering secrets about the origins of life itself. As we venture further into the cosmos, we will encounter challenges and obstacles, but the spirit of exploration that has carried us this far will no doubt continue to propel us forward. The journey will be long and arduous, but the rewards, the potential for discovery and understanding, are immeasurable. The future of space exploration promises to be as exciting and challenging as its past. In less than a century, we've gone from simply gazing at the stars to actually reaching out to them. Let's take a moment to look back at the giant leaps we've made in our cosmic journey. The launch of Sputnik marked the dawn of space exploration, an era where the impossible became possible. The beep-beep sound of the first artificial satellite circling our planet was the clarion call of a new epoch, a testament to human ingenuity. It was a game changer, a spark that ignited our collective curiosity and ambition to venture into the great unknown. Then, the moon landing, a monumental event that turned science fiction into reality. The world held its breath as Neil Armstrong took that one small step for a man. one giant leap for mankind. It wasn't just a triumph for America, it was a victory for humanity, a testament to our potential when we dare to dream big. The space shuttle era brought a new level of accessibility to space. It expanded our horizons, enabling numerous scientific discoveries and fostering international cooperation. The Hubble Space Telescope, the International Space Station, these are the legacies of this era. Now we're setting our sights on Mars and beyond. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, we're not just seeking new frontiers, we're searching for answers to some of the most profound questions of our existence. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, who knows what mysteries we will uncover next?